Hello everybody, Phil from Catch Feeder. We're here talking about fifth wheel location, especially on the team tractors, the Panthera tractors. Very important. If you're pulling pups like we have our back up to here, you want that fifth wheel to be at least in the center, if not in the back. Reason being, you don't want the mud flaps to get tangled up in the landing gear. If you have to have it in the middle, you may want to pull these mud flaps off. Pull the pin out, pull that clip off, pull the mud flaps off. There's a receiver here on the driver's side and on the passenger side for those mud flaps. When you're done pulling pups, if you hook up to a long box, we recommend putting those mud flaps back on, sliding this fifth wheel to the forward as far as you can. That's going to distribute weight better onto your tandems. Also, it's going to put weight on your drive tires for better handling. So keep in mind, pay attention to what you're going to hook up to, where you have that fifth wheel situated. Be safe, everybody.